Welcome back to Knives and Tequila. And today, we've got a good one, because I'll be showcasing my extraordinary knife skills. And we're gonna eat so many shrimp, liable to get that iodine poisoning. No, I'm just kidding, you won't get sick. It is delicious. So follow along as we create air-fried garlic Parmesan shrimp with a side of roasted potatoes and broccoli. Enjoy. And so today's non-sponsored tequila, well, it's Milagro. And well, it's in a giant bottle, so I hold it like a baby and I take shots of it today. That's all. All right, so about these knife skills. Well, we've had a couple viewers, Chance, Glover, who have an ongoing bet that I will stab myself, injure myself while using this fine knife. Well, would a reckless knife-wielding chef do this? How was that? More to come. Yes, I know that was impressive, but now onto the feast. Now we are gonna be air frying the shrimp, but the broccoli and potatoes, we're gonna roast in the oven. So we gotta preheat the oven to 400. And now to prepare these, we just gotta cut them up and season. Allow me to demonstrate. Wait, I'll make this a little more impressive. One-handed. Keep my baby in arm. Let's go. Satisfactory? Buffoons. Now that we got that out of the way, we can move to our seasoning. I'm a gallon bag seasoned dude. Throw them all in. Got perfectly cut. We're gonna throw down some olive oil, salt, some ground pepper, throw some basil in there, a little oregano, and Parmesan cheese everything today. Now we shake before we bake. And we're throwing this on a pan, putting it in the oven for 25 minutes. All right, so we got a pound of raw shrimp. I'm just gonna pat these things down. I just don't want them soaking wet. I want the seasoning to stick, my friends. Guess what? It's going back in the bag. And we go down our assembly line of seasonings once again. Same thing we just did with potatoes. A little olive oil, salt, pepper, got that basil, some oregano, Parmesan, and in addition, we'll use some minced garlic and the good old lemon squeeze. Now we shake. Perfect. And now we're just waiting until our broccoli and potatoes get to 10 minutes left, because that's how long we're gonna throw these shrimps in the air fryer. So, it's time. High pour. Missed it. Exactly 10 minutes left. All right, we're going to the air fryer. Little Sprite. All right, we're going in for 350 for 10 minutes. All right, halfway through, I like to give it a little shake. That's all. And there it is. What a delight. And before we leave, our fat loss code. Couldn't leave you without that one. Now, managing your meals. This is pretty simple. If you've eaten too many carbs for breakfast, lunch, maybe you should just swipe these potatoes away and fill up on this delicious shrimp and this voluminous broccoli. Little added choice, and we're ready to feast. Tequila first, my friends. If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe, and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.